Hello and welcome. This is Dr. Rupesh again. Today I am going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to solve problems related to Excel. So let us start. I'm going to start ChatGPT. If you have not logged in earlier, you need to register yourself. Since I have already registered myself, I'm able to come to this screen. Now I'm here in the ChatGPT and you can use it to find out different solutions related to Excel. Suppose I don't have any data of Excel and first I want to find out some data and I want to get help of ChatGPT for that. So let us see how it can help to us. So I'm going to type, give me data for practice. Simple formula of Excel. Fine. So I don't have any data and I want ChatGPT to give me some of the data. Let's see what is going to happen. And yes, so ChatGPT is able to understand and it has created some column A, B, C, D and some number it is generating. And okay, so it tells us that we can use these for sum, average, max, mean, and it is showing us the formula also like sum A1 to A4, average, B2 to E2, product, max value, etc. etc. But I'm not happy with this data. So I want uh, ChatGPT to give me some data related to maybe sales. So let us see what is going to happen. So let me use this control here. Yeah. So I'm asking, give me sales data to practice Excel formula. Let us see what is going to happen. Okay. Again, it's giving me ABCD. Okay. Now, this time ABCD is the column for ABCD. That's what it is saying. And then region, product, sales, and profit. And for different regions, it has given us different products and sales. And it is telling that you can find total sales, use the formula, sum, average, sum if. Oh, great. So, like if I want to find out not the criteria is not and sales, all those things very beautifully, it is able to give to me all these details. Okay, so now what I will do, I will try to copy this data in Excel. So I selected it, Control C, and I'm going to Excel and I want to paste it. So let me share my Excel screen with all of you so that you will see. I copied and pasted in Excel and I'm going to share that Excel screen with all of you. You can see the data which was there in the Chat GPT. I put it here. I don't want any background, so let me remove the background. ABCD also not required, so I'm deleting it because this ABCD, that is a column, that's what it means, and it has given to us, so that we don't want. And let me make font color black so that you can see it clearly. Yeah. So this is here. ChatGPT has given us a different formula also. Fine. So we can copy and paste. So I'm going to ChatGPT again and I will pull those formula. So let me take a formula where it has written. Okay, I'll pull everything from ChatGPT, whatever has came here, so that you can see that what it has written. So the content, whatever was in ChatGPT, I'm going to paste there. Okay, formatting has got changed. No worries. And just make it black. Yeah. So these are the details what ChatGPT has given to us, right? So to find out total sales of a specific product, use formula equal to sum if. Like if I want to find out widget details, okay, now what I need to do, I need to make little changes in the data because it was starting from A and my data is not from A cell. So let me put starting from A cell. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to a new sheet, open, yeah, and pasting it here. So it is starting from, you can see it is starting from A, fine. Let me take the formula. So I will take sum of widget in north region, sum if. So I'm putting the formula here is equal to sum if D2 to D8. D2 to D8, it talks about D2 to D8 and widget A2 to A8 north. And we are getting the value 20, but it is not D2 to A8. I think it is D2 to D9. So we will make that correction. Yeah, so you can see it has not taken full formula. So we'll make it correction here. And for north region and widget total sales is 20. North widget and yeah, it's adding profit. So north widget 20 and we don't have any north widget. So 20 it is able to find out. Let us see if we'll make a widget, if this is widget south, we'll make this also north and just check. So 20 plus 18, 30. So very easily, whatever output ChatGPT has given that we are able to run in Excel very nicely. Let me take you again to ChatGPT and we'll try to find out more details from ChatGPT. So hope you are able to see the screen. Now I will ask some specific question from ChatGPT. So we have got different regions, we have got different products, sales, and profit. Fine. So I want to find out north-wise, like for north, what is total sales? So I'm writing for the above data, give me sum of, I'm writing like we are writing in English, sum of sales where region is what? Region is say north. So for all north, I want sum. Let us see what is going to happen to find. Okay, so it has given us formula and it is giving even explanation of the formula also. So sum if it is using A2 to A8, it has to be A2 to A9. I think we have A2 to A9 and then yeah. So for north, it is able to tell us that what formula to be written. So for profit, we are going to get all those things. Let us see if it is able to give us maximum profit or not. So I'll write, give me maximum profit. Profit. Let us see. It has to be max equal to max, and then all what we have to put the range from D2 to D9. Here it is saying D2 to D8. Okay, so it has used max function. You can see here max function ChatGPT is able to use. So we can use it for various purpose, like suppose we want ChatGPT to give us one example for X lookup formula. So I'm going to write, I don't know it will give us or not. Let us check. Give me one example of data where I can apply XLOOKUP, XLOOKUP function. Just see what is going to happen. Okay, so it is giving data set, product price category. Great. So the data set is being generated right now. And let us see whether it is able to give some example of XLOOKUP function. Yeah, fine. So it is giving a scenario. Let us, you want to look up the price of a particular product of the data set, you can use XLOOKUP function. Fine. So it is able to give us XLOOKUP function and the formula looks apple range 82 to 87 and this. So XLOOKUP. So you can replace XLOOKUP with any of the values. Okay. So fine. XLOOKUP function. So give me XLOOKUP formula. Give me XLOOKUP formula for above data sets. Let us see what it is going to do. It is giving a scenario and it has given a formula and all the details. So there are various ways by which you can use ChatGPT and you can ask questions and ChatGPT will be able to tell you how to use the formula, even if it will give you different formula. Fine. So hope you will find this video useful and you are going to ask Excel. Even you can give the data sets in the ChatGPT that my first column has got maybe product ID, second column has got name, third column has got price, next has got quantity, next one is total price. And after that, you can ask whatever you want to do and ChatGPT will be able to give you formula. Fine. So hope you will find this video useful. Happy learning and good night. We will meet again in a new video with a lot of content. See you again. Bye.